All right, so to get us started, we have the getting ready section, which everyone should have a handout, a copy of it in front of you. So here's the first question that's asking us, is what is the two things that are being compared here? So in the first statement, my mom's car gets 45 miles per gallon on the expressway. What are the two variables that are being compared? Remember, a variable is a quantity that is changing. So what are the two things that are changing in this situation? We had the 45 miles, and we had the gallons of gas. Okay? Those are the two things that are changing. What about in the next statement? We need 2 sandwiches for each person at the picnic. Correct. 2 sandwiches in each person. All right, we'll try one more. I earn $3.50 per hour babysitting for my neighbor. I earn $3.50 and per hour. All right, so those are just 3 examples of what we call rates. Okay, a rate is basically a way that you measure something. It's when one thing happens and another thing happens as a result of it. So something per something, and you'll notice that in each case, per. This one says for each. Per. Okay? This all goes back to what we call a unit rate. A unit rate is when basically, out of the 2 things that we're comparing, one of them is simplified down to just 1. So what we have here is 45 miles per gallon. So the unit rate in this example is gallons, because we go 45 miles for every 1 gallon. All right, the next statement, we need 2 sandwiches for each person at the picnic. So 2 sandwiches for each person, where our unit rate is each person, because that's 1 person. The next statement, I earn $3.50 per hour. So $3.50 for every hour I work. So our unit rate is hours.